Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today I'm going to tell you how I built a fully automated drop servicing business that runs itself. Yes, you heard that right. A business that makes money while I sleep, and I didn't need a single technical skill to get started. So if you're sitting there wondering how to start something online, without any coding, designing, or marketing experience, buckle up. This is going to open your eyes to something game-changing. Let's rewind a little bit. There was a time when I used to scroll social media for hours, watching other people living their best lives, wondering, how the hell are they affording all this? I knew the 9-to-5 path wasn't going to cut it. It felt like working harder was only leading me to more exhaustion, not more freedom. That's when I stumbled upon the concept of drop servicing. And let me tell you, this business model is like drop shipping's smarter, quieter cousin. It's the hidden gem of the online world. Here's the simple concept: you sell services to clients. But instead of you doing the work, you hire freelancers to do it for cheaper. You're basically the middleman with a business suit and a website. For example, you offer a logo design service on your own website for $150. When a customer places an order, you hop over to Fiverr or Upwork, pay a freelancer $30 to do the job, deliver the final logo to your client, and keep the $120 profit. No inventory, no shipping, no design skills, no stress. Now, before you start thinking this is some shady or unethical thing, it's not. This is literally what agencies have been doing for decades. Big companies do this every day. Your local web design agency is charging $2,000 for a site that a freelancer in another country might build for $400. What you're doing is managing the experience, adding value through customer service, trust, and convenience. You're a connector. And connectors get paid. So how did I start? Well, I didn't jump in blind. I started small. I picked one niche: social media video editing. Why? Because it's in demand like crazy, and content creators are everywhere right now. Plus, the cost to outsource is low, and the perceived value is high. I built a simple website using tools like Wix or WordPress. No coding. Just drag and drop. Then I made my service packages clear: bronze, silver, gold. I made sure my website looked clean and trustworthy. Next, I created a portfolio. And here's the trick: I didn't even have clients yet. I bought a few sample gigs from Fiverr, got permission to use them in my portfolio, and boom, I had proof of quality. After that, I started networking. I didn't run expensive ads. I went to Facebook groups, Reddit threads, even Instagram DMs. I offered free or discounted trials to influencers who needed editors. And from there, word spread. But here's the real magic: automation. I use Zapier to automate client emails, Google Forms to collect client input, Stripe or PayPal for smooth payments, Trello or Notion to track tasks. Once a client pays, their order flows through my system. I assign the gig to my trusted freelancer, who delivers it in 24 to 48 hours. I review, polish, and send it back to the client. Most times, I don't even have to touch the process because the system does the heavy lifting. I just manage quality and client communication. And let me tell you, it feels surreal to wake up, check your phone, and see you've been paid $300 while you were asleep. It doesn't happen overnight, but once you lock in your system, the business becomes self-sustaining. You become a business owner instead of a freelancer. You're not trading time for money anymore, you're trading systems for freedom. Now I want to motivate you, because this isn't about just making money. It's about breaking free from the mental cage we've all been put in. You were told that only doctors, engineers, or business tycoons make real income. But the truth is, in the digital age, income is unlimited and untied from your resume. Your value is in how well you solve problems. And drop servicing solves a problem beautifully, for both clients and freelancers. Clients don't want to go on Fiverr and scroll through 200 profiles. They want someone to take care of everything. And freelancers, they're happy to get consistent work from you. You become the middle bridge, and both sides win. That's where your money comes from, the gap between those two needs. I want you to take this seriously. If you're watching this, it means you're hungry for change. You're not satisfied with working paycheck to paycheck. You're built for more. You've got the vision. Now it's time to take action. Start with just one service. Pick one that's easy to outsource, like blog writing, video editing, website copy, voiceovers, resume building, or even thumbnails. Build your site. Test your pricing. Find your freelancers. Start small. Deliver quality. Then automate and scale. And remember, success isn't about having all the answers from day one. It's about staying consistent and curious. I failed multiple times before I found the right formula. I had clients ghost me. I had freelancers disappear mid-project. But guess what? Every mistake made me sharper. I kept learning, improving, adjusting. And now, I have a business that works even when I don't. There's something powerful in knowing that you don't need to be the smartest, richest, or most connected person to start something great. You just need to start. The best businesses are built from real problems and simple solutions. Drop servicing is exactly that. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's silently profitable. So if you're tired of watching others win while you feel stuck, let this be your wake-up call. You have what it takes. You don't need permission from anyone. Not your boss, not your degree, not your parents. Just the decision to try. Start building your freedom machine today. Because every day you wait is a day you could have made your first sale. Your journey to financial freedom doesn't need to be loud, it just needs to be real, automated, and consistent. That's the power of drop servicing. And if you want me to personally guide you on how to set up your own automated business, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, and check out the free resource in the description. Let's build wealth together, not someday, but now. I'm Fahaam, and this is your financial freedom blueprint. Let's make your dreams not just possible, but profitable.